Epic integration, effortless communication. Healthcare professionals spoke, we listened. Presenting Lionbridge's epic integrated, fully managed healthcare interpretation services. The industry's answer to the challenges of speed, quality, and complexity in healthcare language access. If you partnered with Lionbridge, you'd be frustration-free now. You would connect instantly from the patient's chart to a qualified interpreter over the phone or by video in the languages you need for clear, compliant and secure conversations. Spend more time caring for patients with limited English proficiency rather than wrestling with technology, thanks to our seamless epic integration for telehealth and in-person appointments. And get our help immediately, should you need it, with the industry's best customer service. What makes Lionbridge different? Decades of experience, trusted by leading healthcare organisations. Highly trained medical interpreters, proficient in more than 380 languages. Robust program management to enhance operations. And unparalleled technology for the fastest connection times and effortless workflows. Happy staff, happy hospital, happy patients. It's all within reach. Contact us today for a demo. Visit lionbridge.com to learn more.